In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to open Outlook, find your way around, and send a polished email with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft's official Outlook sign-in page. If you're prompted, sign in with your account to access your mailbox. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on Microsoft's real site before entering any credentials and to keep personal details private. Once Outlook loads, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. On the far left, you'll see quick icons for mail, calendar, and other apps. Just to the right is your folder pane, where you'll find inbox, drafts, sent items, and any custom folders you've created. The center shows your list of messages with unread emails, usually in bold. On the right is the reading pane, where a selected message appears. Along the top sits the toolbar with options like new mail, reply, delete, and more, plus a powerful search bar to quickly find messages by sender, keyword, or date. Knowing what Livesware will save you time. If you're not already there, click the mail icon to switch to your inbox view. You can sort by date, filter to see only unread messages, and resize the reading pane for comfort. When you're ready to write, click New Mail at the top. A compose window opens with the fields you need. In the To field, begin typing the recipient's email address. Outlook will suggest matches from your contacts and recent recipients. Choose the correct one or type the full address. Use CC if others should be kept in the loop, and BCC if you want to hide recipients from each other. Double check spelling and domains to avoid misdirected messages. Add a clear, informative subject so the recipient knows what to expect at a glance. Aim for something concise like meeting follow-up or invoice for March. Now write your message in the main body. Start with a friendly greeting. Get to the point in the first sentence and keep paragraphs short. Use the formatting toolbar to add emphasis, lists, or links when it improves clarity, but avoid over-formatting. Before sending, proofread for tone, typos, and attachments you mention. When everything looks good, click send. You'll see the message in your sent items, which confirms it went out. If you close before sending, Outlook saves a draft so you can finish later. That's it. Open Outlook, explore the interface, go to mail, create a new message, address it, add a subject, write your note, and send. With a little practice, these steps will feel effortless.